Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Littlest Pet Shop Lucky Dozen and Hungry Pets blind boxes. I am loving this new look for Littlest Pet Shop. The Lucky Dozen comes with 12 pets. 3 are mysteries, and this one comes with Jade Catkin down in the corner. I think that's Jade. Looks like she has sparkly ears. The box has cute little donut decorations on the front, and on the back of the box, you can see all of the pets included, except for the mysteries. We found this set at Walmart for $14.99 for ages 4 and up. I can't wait to see our mystery pets, so let's get these out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, we have a collector's guide that says this is Series 3, Wave 2. There are different collections like the Hungry Pets, Lucky Dozen, and Mini 2-packs. And on the back is Cosmic Pounce. Here we have 3 different size pets, Classic, Mini, this mini horse is so cute, and Teensies, that we can check off on our collector's guide to keep track of our collection. Now, I don't know all of their names, but I know that this is Jade from the new animated cartoon on Netflix. She's the cat bowl is half empty kind of girl.
I like to think of it as being a realist.
Jade is definitely one of my favorite characters on the new show, which is all about the pets traveling through a secret portal that takes them to a world of their own called Pawtucket, with just pets, no humans. In this set, the classic pets are bobbleheads. Here is a cute little brown deer. The LPS logo is on the back of the head. Here is a polar bear with cute little blue feet. Jade and her sparkly pink ears. The mini horse is not a bobblehead. The head can be turned from side to side, and the same is true for the other smaller pets. Here is a lavender duck, pink cow, and a green lizard. For our teensies, we have a frog and a bunny. I think that's a bunny. The collector's guide doesn't have their names listed, and when I go to the pet tracker online, doesn't look like they've been loaded yet. So we'll just have to check back later. But right now, let's find out who our mystery pets are. Our first one is, looks like something pink. And if I can ever get it out of the little container. Come on, little pet. Oh, it's a pink elephant with a lot of personality. Its head doesn't move. Neither does the frog, but the bunny does. So I guess for the teensies, some move and some don't. Our next mystery pet is, it's a mini fish. And our last mystery pet is, it's a cute spider. 2 words I never thought I would say together. And the picture in the packaging makes a perfect background, as long as you don't mind a messy kitchen. If you thought those mystery pets were exciting, wait until you see these blind boxes. Or should I say blind cans. They look like cans of pet food, but there are pets inside, so there are pets inside of the pet food. Okay, let's not think about that. Opening can number 1. It has a little pull tab, just like a real can. There is a circle inside, which has a picture of a pet. And I think this is our pet. On the back, it shows you all of the pets in the collection. There are 10 to collect. Now we just have to finish opening our blind box to see our pet. Yep, they're the same. There is another bag inside, and this one is some small accessories, a lime, and a little taco. All of the accessories can be removed, and you get a cute little gray and white dog. Our next little hungry pet is, I'm really hoping to get the cat sushi. Could this be the cat sushi? And no, it's a monkey. A monkey in a banana with a banana hat with a banana accessory. I love the little food accessories. They are so cute. In blind box number 3, we have a repeat. This is my second hamburger kitty in my Littlest pet shop collection. They are too cute, so I guess it's okay this time. And they come with cute little red cups, so that's adorable. But I am still hoping for that cat sushi. I have a feeling that this is going to be it. No, it's not. It's a dog wearing pizza with a pizza box on its head. The box can open and he comes with a little pizza accessory that you can place inside. How adorable is that? Okay, so far out of the Hungry Pets, that is my favorite. Well, until the cat sushi shows up. And we only have 2 blind boxes left, so I'm getting a little nervous. Not cat sushi. It's a hot dog wearing a hat, and he comes with a little hot dog. We are down to our very last one. And I'm hoping it's cat sushi. Where's the little card on the top? It was missing. Oh wow, this is a big mystery. So now we have to find out which one it is. Too much. I can't take this. And it is a triple. Okay. So now we have 3 little kitty hamburgers. Out of the 10 possible pets in this collection, we were able to check off 5. So it looks like we have more pets to find. And until then, we can play with our pets in our mini printable house and display all of their accessories on the counter. Check out our Lost Kitties review to see how we made it. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Littlest Pet Shop. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.